Hey everyone, if you're trying to upload files to AppFlowy and keep getting a file upload failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy file upload problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. File uploads require a stable connection, and a weak or interrupted network can cause uploads to fail before completion. Next, try uploading the file again. Temporary glitches can sometimes interrupt a single upload, even when everything else is working correctly. Another common fix is checking the file size. Large files may take longer to upload or could exceed the upload limits associated with your AppFlowy setup or storage configuration. Make sure the file type you're uploading is supported. Unsupported formats can trigger upload errors or fail to process correctly. You should also verify that the file isn't corrupted. Open the file on your device first to confirm that it works normally before attempting another upload. Another helpful step is updating AppFlowy to the latest version. Software updates often include fixes for file handling and upload-related issues, and that's how to fix AppFlowy file upload failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking your connection, verifying file compatibility, updating the application, and reviewing storage limits will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.